how to withdraw money from Shopify to PayPal. So that's super simple. All we have to do is click on settings here in the bottom left corner, and then we have to go to the payments section. From here, you should be able to see PayPal. If you don't see it right here, you can choose a provider and just search for PayPal. But basically all we have to do is click on activate PayPal if we haven't already. And we'll click on activate, which will refer us to this page where it will ask us to log in into our PayPal account here. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So it's going to look like this. Gonna click on next. It will detect that we actually already have an account, and then I'm going to click on login, and it's going to look like this. It's going to ask me to verify my phone number. So if I click on continue here, then this will send me an email and it will log me into PayPal. But after we have done this, then what is going to happen is that it will say that our method here is active. So PayPal is going to appear as active, and any sale that we actually get on our Shopify store, we will get transferred over to PayPal automatically. So you won't have to do anything. Basically, if you have activated your PayPal here, then any sale, like I said, after the transaction fee has been taken out of it, will be sent to your PayPal account. So I hope this helps you out. That's how you withdraw money from PayPal, from Shopify to PayPal. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.